Raksha Bhardiya, a successful female writer of India. A very young, talented Raksha Bhardiya, a homemaker turned writer. She is the founder of relationship website Bonobology, an interactive platform to rave, rant, discuss, and resolve modern day relationships. Born in a Marwadi family in Kolkata, Raksha studied political science at the Laureate College. After moving to Ahmedabad and spent 5 years of her life as a homemaker, the turning point came when Raksha was asked to write down what she wanted to become on a piece of paper at a self development workshop she was attending. This marked the beginning of a successful writing career. Raksha's first book, Mia Handbook for Life, was about why people are the way they are and what makes a winner different. Raksha went about doing in depth research and interviewed personalities such as Vikram Chandra, M.F. Hussain, Pandit Jasraj, Birju Maharaj, and Zohra Sehgal to put the book all together. All her hard work paid off when her book got published by Rupa and Company in 2006. Mia Handbook for Life, she went on to write her second book, All and Nothing, which was also published by Rupa and Company in 2010. The book journeys with the five characters with very different personalities paused to contemplate where they are and what they want, nothing or all. Around the same time, she was approached by the Chicken Soup series to become the editor for the India series. She went on to edit and compile 13 titles for them between 2008 to 2012. During this stint, Raksha got acquainted with a lot of great writers from all over the country and decided to start Bonobology in 2015. The online portal is an attempt to help make peace with various aspects of couple relationships through real life stories, discussions, and counseling. It is a non judgmental space for all kinds of perspectives and approaches to couple relationships, as Raksha puts it. The website has personal narrative and columns by relationship experts, clinical therapists, marriage therapists, and agony aunts. Raksha is also looking at getting divorce lawyer on board in the days to come. Bonobology also has Reddit-like discussion for relationships, but what sets it apart the tones of similar content that is available online. Bonobology's core team, including Raksha, spread around the country. The website has contributors across the country who are paid depending upon the quality of articles and get about 20 to 25 articles a day. A completely bootstrapped project, Raksha is currently working on a revenue model and talks with advertisers are on. Raksha Bhardiya is the author of All and Nothing, Me, a Handbook for Life, and Roots and Wings, a handbook for parents. Raksha has co authored Chicken Soup for the Indian Soul series. For Westland, she has contributed features for Times of India, Femina, Life Positive, Marie Claire, Midday Mumbai, etc. She is a columnist with Ahmedabad Mirror and Femina. She has taught creative writing master's program architecture journalism at CPT Ahmedabad. She has held workshops on parenting in organizations and schools such as AMA Ahmedabad Management Association, Eklavya School, Anand Niketan Kapadia, Don Bosco Kolkata, Rotary Club Ahmedabad, etc. Raksha has taught at the School for the Visually Challenged in Andhakanya Gruha. She teaches English in a street school run by NGO Manav Sadhana in Ram Rahim Katekra. She was a speaker at the Women Leadership Forum organized by Nasiba at Delhi. So let's follow her dream and passion. Thank you.